Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 JH Holden Cruze sedan. Stock reference number 4899. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2009 through to the second month 2013. It has an F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left power door mirror, left-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, top glove box, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, interior mirror, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.